Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to preview this Monarch 10EE tool room lathe that came to us from Standby Storage. This machine is immaculate condition, and what we have done is put some fancy accessories on it. We'd like to go through and preview it and run it for you. This is a Monarch 10EE tool room lathe. This one happens to be serial number 53241. This particular machine has been set up with a 7.5 horsepower TEFC inverter drive unit. It is an AC drive unit that's supplied by Monarch, and this has been adapted here at Machinery Consultants and retrofitted to this machine. Here's the control panel. Here is the operator console on the front. Start, stop, coolant, emergency stop. And of course this machine is going to be set up with a Accurite digital readout unit, as well as the fact that there's going to be a collet chuck, 3-jaw, 4-jaw, a Loris wedge stock quick change, Royal machine mounts, coolant, taper attachment, inch metric dials, inch metric threading, and this particular model goes from 60 to 4,000 RPM. We're going to have our technician here go ahead and run it just for a few minutes and show you some of the features. Go ahead, Lamont.
Just going forward. To adjust speed, is the original knob. All the electrics have been replaced. And to adjust it, turn the knob up. Down.
Let me get on the right side of you here.
Some point you don't even know it's running.
Very quiet, very smooth.
Standard threading, go down, you can half nut. The nice thing about these Monarchs are how easy you can get them in. Neutral, forward, thread,
well, that's smooth and quiet. The nice thing about this machine is you can also engage the apron feed and the cross slide feed at the same time if you want to cut a chamfer. This particular machine has a steady rest with it. We've set up the coolant. We've taken the original Monarch green, very light refurbishing job that we did here at Machinery Consultants, but we take a great deal of pride in our work.
That's 3,500 RPM.
3,500 RPM, wow.
1,000 RPM.
It's a T14 Camlock spindle.
All the way down to 20 RPM.
20 RPMs. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for previewing this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to get a hold of us. We're located in Salt Lake City, Utah. Machinery Consultants in Utah, wishing you a great day. Thanks again.